Oh, you want me to sniff it? Your turn. Oh, my turn. Oh, okay, you do it now. You do it this time. You do it. Oh. Oh, careful. Be careful. Here, let's move that. It's gonna hurt. There. Look at all that hair. How old are you today? How old are you today, baby? Are you 10 months? Want this? It goes in the square, huh? You can put it in. Nice try. Goes this way. This one. Try it right there. Good job. There we go. Yay! Yay! Harper, you're such a good boy. Yay! Doggy. There's a dog there. Yep. Hi, Beans. Hey, girl. Did you go to... Hey, baby. Did you go to a wedding shower yesterday? Were you the only boy there? Lots of ladies, huh? Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you need the camera case. What do you think? Yeah? Do you want to tell me about it, bud? Did you just wake up from a nice nap? Did a bug fly or a bird and hit the window? Can you say goodbye for today? Bye-bye. Harper. Harper, can you say bye-bye? What's this? Where you going, Mama? Hey, buddy. What's the matter? Dog toy. Found a doggy toy. Where's the dog, Harper, to play with the toy? Where? Lily, come here. Come get your toy. Lily, get your toy. Where's your toy, girl? Where's your toy? Can you get it? Get your toy, Beans. Yeah. See, I want to get the toy. Get your toy. Yay! Get it. Good boy. Good girl, Beans. Get it. Get it. You want Mama to throw it. What if baby wants to throw it, Beans? Here. Throw it for her. Throw it for her, Harp. Oh, he's over it. There's no thank you. Where you going, bud? Oh, you're looking for dog food, aren't you? Is that where the dog food is? Look at me! I can stand up. Oh, are you gonna stand up? No. I get the dog toy for the doggy. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Say, go fetch, doggy. Go fetch, doggy. Go fetch, doggy. Bobby. She doesn't want to play with you, does she? She's a tired old lady. What are you doing? Harper. Harper, I want you to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Careful. Harper, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, Durian, bye-bye. Love you.